Morning students, today we will see the second part of the family planning. The steroid contraceptions involve that is Enroll 10 mg and Mestranol 0.215 mg used the first contraceptive for field trial in Ringo in 1956 by Pingus and his colleagues. Intensive pharmacological research and clinical trials were conducted during the following years to minimize the adverse effects of estrogen without reducing the contraceptive efficiency, resulting in lowering the dose of estrogen to minimum 20 or 15 in the tablet. These are the steroid contraceptives, the oral parenteral devices, and other vaginal devices also. The oral can be combined preparations or single preparations, parenteral, injectable, and implant. Other devices include the IUD, vaginal ring, and transdermal patches. Combined oral contraceptive pills. The combined oral steroid contraceptives are most effective reversible method of contraception. In the combination pill, the commonly used prostanes are either levonorgestrel and non-ethinostrone or degestrol, and estrogens are principally confined to the either ethylene estradiol or mestrinol 3-methyl ether or ethanol estradiol. Currently lipid-friendly third-generation prostanes, namely desogestrel and gestodin and non-gestimate, are available. Only Mala N are distributed through the government channel free of cost. So the commercial names and the content and number of tablets how much should be taken. Mode of action. The probable mechanism of contraception are by inhibition of ovulation. Both hormones are synergistically act on hypothalamus-pituitary axis. The release of gonadotropin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus is prevented through a negative feedback mechanism. There is thus no peak release of FSH and LH from the anti-pituitary, so the follicular growth is either not initiated or initiated recruitment does not occur, producing static endometrial hyperplasia and alteration in the character of cervical mucus, that is soft, to prevent the sperm penetration, probably interfere the tubal motility and alters the tubal transport. Thus, even though accidental breakthrough ovulation occurs, other mechanisms prevent the conception. Estrogen inhibits FSH rise and prevents follicular growth. It is also useful for beta cycle control and to prevent breakthrough bleeding. Means progestin an ovulatory effect is primarily by inhibiting LH surge. It is also helpful to counteract the adverse effects of estrogen. Selection of the patient, history and general exam should be thorough, taking special care to screen case contraindications like headache and migraine. Examination of breast for any nodules, weight and blood pressure are to be noted. Pelvic examination to exclude any cervical pathologies. Then pregnancy must be excluded. Cervical cytology should be excluded, but abnormal cells is to be done. Thus, any woman of reproductive age without any symptomatic systemic disease and contraindications listed is suitable candidate for combined pill therapy. Growth and development of pubertal and sexually active girls are not affected by the use of the pill. How to prescribe a pill. Instructions. New users should normally start their pill package on the day 1 of the cycle. One tablet is to be taken daily, preferably at bedtime for consecutive 21 days. It is continued for 21 days and then have a 7 days break. With this routine, there is no contraceptive protection from the first pill. Next pack should be started on the 8th day, irrespective of bleeding. Thus the simple regime of 3 weeks and 1 week off is to be followed. Packing of 28 tablets, there should be no break between the packs. 7 of these pills are dummies or contain either iron or vitamin preparation. However, a woman can start a pill from the 5th day of bleeding. In that case, she is advised to use the condom for next 7 days. The pill should be started on the day after abortion. Following childbirth, non-lactating woman started after 3 weeks, and lactating woman has to be withheld for 6 months. Follow-up: patient should be examined after 3 months, then after 6 months, then yearly. Patient above 35 years should be checked more frequently. In each visit, any adverse symptom are to be noted. Examination of breast, weight and blood pressure recording and pelvic examination, including pelvic cytology, are to be done and compared with previous recordings. Missed pills. Normally, there is a return of pituitary ovarian follicular during the pill-free interval or 7 days. Breakthrough ovulation may occur in about 20% of cases during this time. Lengthening of the pill-free interval due to omissions, malabsorption or vomiting, either by start or at the end of the packet, increase the risk of breakthrough ovulation and therefore pregnancy. So the contraindications for oral combined oral contraceptive absolute, that is circulatory disease, disease of the liver, others, and also relative contraindications. Management. When a woman forgets to take one pill up to 24 hours, she should take the missed pill at once and continue the rest as the schedule. There is nothing to worry. When she missed two pills in the first week, that is from 1 to 7, she should take two pills at each next 2 days and then continue the rest as a schedule. Extra precaution has to be taken for the next 7 days either by using a condom or by avoiding sex. If two pills are missed in the third week or if more than two active pills have been missed at any time, another form of contraception should be used backup for next 7 days as mentioned above. She should be started the next pack without a break. If she misses any of the 7 inactivated pills, that is in a 28-day pack only, she should throw away the missed pills. She should take the remaining pills once a day and start the new pack as usual. Additional contraception to ensure the person effectively. Additional mechanical contraceptives usually condom are to be used in case of broad spectrum antibiotics like ampicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline has been used. When enzyme inducing trust has been used like barbiturate, the indication of a withdrawal. While the majority of tolerance of campaign pill in some unsusceptible individuals gross adverse symptoms develop which necessitate its withdrawal. They include severe migraine, visual speech disturbance, chest pain, unexplained fainting, severe cramps, excessive weight gain, severe depression, patient desire to have pregnancy. How long pill can be continued? Potential benefits of pills are greater when compared to the risk of well-selected individual. Woman who does not smoke and have no other risk factors, it can be continued until the age of 50. This is often a dual advantage of effective contraception and hormone replacement therapy. However, for spacing birth, use of 3 to 5 years is considered enough and safe. General and metabolic effect combined preparations containing estrogen and progesterone have got wide range of metabolic activities. Changes are almost similar to those of pregnancy and almost completely revert back. Benefits of combined pill include contraceptive benefits and it is convenient to use, no intercourse is related, reversibility. And non-contraceptive benefits include regulation of menstrual cycle, reduction of dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, reduction of premenstrual tension, reduction of Michelson syndrome, protection against iron deficiency, anemia, ectopic endometriosis, fibroid uterus, functional ovarian, benign breast cancer, disease, rheumatoid arthritis, epithelial. And campaign preparations, the advantage and disadvantage as mentioned here. Then adverse effect of the campaign, minor complications like nausea, vomiting, headache, mastalgia, weight gain, cholasma. Menstrual abnormalities like breakthrough bleeding is common due to subthreshold of blood levels of hormone. Other causes of breakthrough bleeding is the pill takers and disturbance of absorption. A pill containing high dose of estrogen with different posture could be helpful. Breakthrough bleeding is not associated with any increased failure rate. Hypomenorrhea, menorrhagia, amenorrhea. Then libido may be diminished in progesterone pills, probably due to dryness of vagina. More often, it may be either remain static or at times even may cause increase due to loss of fear of pregnancy. Then the major complications include depression, hypertension, and there is marked increase in plasma angiotensinogen. These changes, however, reverse back in normal 3 to 6 months after the stoppage of the pills. Vascular complications like venous thromboembolism, arterial thrombosis, then cholestatic jaundice, neoplasia like combined oral contraceptive pills reduce risk of epithelial ovarian cancers and endometrial carcinoma. It is a protective effect persists 10 to 15 years of age after the stopping method. And however, pill use should have regular HPV, DNA, and cervical cytology for screening. Effects on organs, hypothalamo-pituitary axis, both FS and LH levels remain low as found in early proliferative phase and remain throughout the cycle. Ovary functions remains with occasional evidence of breakthrough ovulation. Endometrium, stromal edema, decidual reaction, and glandular exhaustion out of depletion of glycogen. Then cervix, That may be due to persistent exposure to the pill users, HPV infection, or due to the more sexual activity. Uterus may be slightly enlarged. Cytohormonal study of the vagina reflects picture of early luteal phase. Other organs include liver functions are depressed, GIT, there is increased incidence of mesenteric or vein thrombosis, urinary, increased incidence of urinary tract infection, but probably related to increased sexual activity. Effects on reproduction, ovulation returns within 3 months of withdrawal of the drugs in 90% of cases. When the uh, combined pills are taken during early pregnancy, there is no greater risk significantly congenital anomaly. Lactation is probably affected by reduction in the milk production and also by alteration in the quality of the milk. Moreover, significant amount of steroids are ingested by the infant. The effect is yet unknown. Progesterone only contraceptive pill. Means progesterone only contraceptive pill or POP is devoid of any estrogen, common contain low dose of progesterone. It works mainly by making cervical mucus thick and viscous, thereby prevents sperm penetration. Endometrium because atopic so blastocyte implantation is hindered. The first pill has to be taken on the first day of the cycle, then continuously. It has to be taken regularly at the same time of the day. There must be no break between the packs. Delay in the intake for more than 3 hours. The woman should have missed the pills immediately and next one as a schedule. Extra precaution has to be taken for the next 2 days. Advantage side effects: satiability estrogen in the combined pills totally eliminated. No adverse reaction on the lactation, hence suitably prescribed in the lactating woman. Easy to take off on and off regimen. It may be prescribed in patients having medical disorders, hypertension, fibroid, diabetes, smoking history, smoking and history of thromboembolism. Disadvantages: there may be acne, mastalgia, headache, breakthrough bleeding, and all side effects attributed to progesterone may be evident. Some simple cyst of ovary may be seen. Failure rate about 0.5 to 2%. Women using drugs to induce liver microsomal enzymes should be avoid this method of contraception. Contraindications include pregnancy, unexplained vaginal bleeding, recent breast cancers, arterial disease, thromboembolic diseases. Injectable progesterone include preparations commonly used for depot methotrexate acetate and NET-EA. Both administered intramuscularly within the 5 days of the cycle. Injection should be deep, is the track technique, and site is not to be massage. This contains 104 milligram of micronized preparation of DMPA. It given subcutaneously over the anterior thigh or abdomen. It suppresses ovulation for 3 months as absorbed more slowly. Inhibition of ovulation. Cervical mucus become thick and viscid, and endometrium is atrophic, preventing blastocyst implantation. Advantages: it eliminates regular medication imposed by oral pill. It can be used safely during lactation. No estrogen-related side effect. Menstrual symptoms like menorrhagia, dysmenorrhea are reduced. Protective against endometrial cancer. Can be used in interim contraception before vasectomy becomes effective. Reduction in pelvic inflammatory disease. Non-contraceptive benefit includes salpingitis, decrease the risk of salpingitis, endometrial cancer, and deficiency anemia, sickle cell problems, and endometriosis. Disadvantage: failure rate is high. There's a chance for irregular bleeding, and however, method of fertility is quick. Loss of bone mineral density has been observed with the long-term users. And overweight, contraindications: women with high risk factors for osteoporosis and others with the same as in the means progesterone only pill. Implant. Implanon is the progesterone only delivery system containing 3 ketodesogestrel. It is a long-term, up to 3 years, reversible contraception. Contains single clause capsule, and it is contains 68 milligram of ethanogens. It releases the hormone about 60 microgram, gradually reduced to 30 microgram per day over 3 years. Implanon does not cause decrease in the bone mineral density. Mechanism of action: it inhibits ovulation 90% and cycles for the first year. Insertion: capsule inserted subdermally in the inner aspect of non-dominant arm, 6 to 8 cm above the elbow fold. It is inserted between the biceps and triceps muscle. Preloaded sterile applicator is available. No incision is required. Removal is done by making 2 mm incision at the tip of the implant, pushing the rod until it pops out. Done under local anesthesia. It is ideally inserted on the day 5 of menstrual cycle, immediately after abortion or 3 weeks after postpartum. Removal, implanon removed within the 3 years of insertion. Loss of contraceptive action is immediate. Advantages are highly effective for long term, suitable for women who are completed their family, and this is a safe and effective method considers reversible sterilization. Drawback, frequent irregular menstrual bleeding, spotting, and amenorrhea are common. Emergency contraception or post-coital contraception, hormone, IUCD, anti-progesterone, and others. Indication: unprotected intercourse, condom rupture, missed pill, delay in taking means progesterone only pill, or for more than 3 hours, sexual assault or rape in the first time intercourse as known to be always unplanned. Risk of pregnancy following single act of unprotected coitus around time of ovulation is 8%. Hormones, levonorgestrel 0.75 mg, 2 doses given at 12 hours interval, is very successful and without any side effect. 2 tablets can be taken as a single dose also. The first dose should be taken within 72 hours, and unipistal acetate is progesterone receptor modulator. Single dose of 30 mg should be taken orally as soon as possible or within 120 hours of coitus. Delays the ovulation, inhibit implantation. Should not be prescribed in women with severe hepatic dysfunction or with severe asthma. It is more effective compared to levonorgestrel. These are the combinations of the the contraceptions available for the emergency contraception and doses and the pregnancy rate. Copper IUD. Introduction of copper IUD within the maximum period of 5 days can prevent contraception following accidental unprotected exposure. This prevents implantation. Failure rate is about 0.1%. Progesterone receptor modulators. A dose of single dose 100 mg is to be taken within 17 days of intercourse. Morning after pill. This is not a true contraception but has been interception, preventing conception in case of accidental unprotected cells. Drugs commonly used are levonorgestrel, ethyl estradiol. Then non-fatal adverse effect, mode of action, exact mechanisms remain unclear. Maybe ovulation can be prevented. Fertilization is interferes with the function of corpus luteum. Drawbacks are nausea and vomiting. Thank you.